Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. You might be asking, why is this RC214V so important? To truly appreciate it, you need to understand that Honda has built some of the most iconic race bikes in history, machines that have defined eras of motorcycle competition. The RC lineage goes back decades to bikes that delivered both dominance and innovation in the world's most demanding racing championships. The RC name itself is a hallmark of Honda's pursuit of perfection, a symbol of how engineering, rider skill, and relentless development can combine to produce machines capable of rewriting the record books. Every time Honda introduces a new RC, it represents more than just incremental improvement, it represents a philosophy, a statement about where the pinnacle of motorcycle racing is heading. The transition to the 2027 regulation was not a small change. It forced every manufacturer to rethink their entire approach to engine design, aerodynamics, electronics, and chassis philosophy. The new 850 cubic centimeters rules demanded lighter, more nimble bikes, but also machines that could deliver race-winning performance consistently over long distances and variable conditions. Honda answered that challenge with a machine that not only adapts but also pushes boundaries. This bike isn't just a reaction to new rules. It's a statement of intent, a radical reinvention of what a MotoGP machine can be in the modern era. Performance on a MotoGP bike is always a blend of multiple factors: engine efficiency, chassis balance, aerodynamics, electronics, and, crucially, rider confidence. The 2027 RC214 vs 850 cubic centimeters V4 engine is a marvel of engineering, designed to maximize power-to-weight ratio while ensuring smooth, manageable torque delivery. On paper, the displacement might seem smaller than the 1,000 cubic centimeters engines that dominated previous seasons, but Honda's engineers have cleverly leveraged the smaller engine to create a bike that is more responsive and predictable, particularly in high speed corners and under heavy braking. Usable power is what wins championships, not raw numbers. Early testing and feedback from riders highlight that this RC214V provides consistent power across the rev range, making it easier for riders to exploit traction, accelerate mid-corner, and maintain stability under braking. The V4 configuration, a Honda hallmark, ensures that the engine delivers both torque and high rev horsepower efficiently, allowing the bike to accelerate hard while maintaining precise control. The electronics package is another area where Honda has demonstrated its engineering mastery. Modern MotoGP bikes rely heavily on software to manage power delivery, traction, suspension response, and stability. The RC214V features a comprehensive suite of electronics, including advanced traction control, wheelie management, launch control, engine braking settings, and even torque vectoring. These systems are tuned to respond dynamically to tire conditions, track temperature, and rider input. What makes this electronics suite remarkable is its subtlety. It doesn't replace rider skill, but rather enhances it, ensuring that every lap is optimized without taking control away from the rider. The fine balance between rider input and electronic assistance is what allows this bike to perform consistently at the limit, lap after lap. One of the most fascinating aspects of this bike's development has been Honda's focus on rider feedback. MotoGP riders are more than test pilots. They are the ultimate measuring tools for a bike's performance. Riders like Takaaki Nakagami and other Honda factory test riders have provided invaluable input throughout the development process. Their observations shape everything from suspension geometry to throttle response, from braking feel to the ergonomics of the seat and handlebars. In MotoGP, when a rider describes a bike as feeling intuitive, it means they can predict and trust its behavior instinctively, even when operating at the edge of adhesion. Honda's engineers have gone to great lengths to ensure the 2027 RC214V delivers that level of confidence. Every change, every adjustment, every carbon fiber panel has been informed by the subtle feedback of riders pushing the machine to its limits. Externally, the RC214 vs design is a masterclass in functional minimalism. With MotoGP regulations limiting aerodynamic appendages and enforcing stricter fairing rules, Honda's engineers have turned constraints into a feature. The bike's clean lines and refined fairing panels manipulate airflow naturally, reducing drag while maintaining high-speed stability. Unlike previous iterations with large winglets or aggressive aero devices, the 2027 RC214V uses its chassis and bodywork to achieve the same aerodynamic benefits more elegantly. The result is a bike that is fast, stable, and responsive without relying on external gimmicks. Every air vent, fairing angle, and surface contour is purpose-driven, working in harmony with the frame and suspension to deliver predictable behavior at extreme speeds. The chassis itself is a technological marvel. Weight distribution, rigidity, and flex characteristics have been refined to the millimeter, resulting in a bike that feels balanced under braking, agile in corners, and planted on the straights. Honda has invested heavily in materials science, using ultra-lightweight alloys and carbon composites to reduce unsprung weight, improve feedback to the rider, and enhance overall handling. This careful engineering allows riders to exploit tire performance more effectively, giving them the ability to push harder for longer stints without compromising grip or stability. MotoGP is often a proving ground for road-going technology, and the RC214V is no exception. Many innovations pioneered on bikes like this eventually filter down to consumer motorcycles, whether it's traction control, electronic suspension, aerodynamic solutions, or even engine efficiency strategies. While the RC214V itself will remain a pure race machine, the engineering breakthroughs behind it inevitably influence production motorcycles, allowing riders worldwide to experience a fraction of MotoGP technology in everyday riding. This is why passionate enthusiasts follow every MotoGP development. The innovations you see on track today often shape the bikes on our streets tomorrow. Emotionally, the RC214V carries weight far beyond its carbon and aluminum. For Honda fans around the world, this machine represents legacy, championship glory, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. It embodies the spirit of legendary riders, unforgettable races, and decades of engineering mastery. When the green flag drops and the RC214V hits full throttle on circuits like Mugello, Assen, or Phillip Island, it's not just a machine performing, it's history in motion. Honda is making a statement. They're here not just to participate, but to dominate, to innovate, and to push the limits of what is possible on two wheels. Pricing for a MotoGP prototype like this is not a traditional consideration, since these machines are not intended for sale to the general public. They are bespoke, highly specialized engineering packages. Teams acquire them through factory support deals, sponsorship arrangements, or direct contracts with Honda Racing Corporation. For our community at Bike Culture Hub, the RC214V is more than a headline. It's a benchmark, a lesson in engineering, and a celebration of racing culture. It reminds us why we fell in love with motorcycles, the thrill, the passion, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. As we approach the 2027 MotoGP season, the excitement around this bike will only grow. Every lap, every sector, and every test session provides insight into the evolution of two-wheeled performance at the very highest level. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to comment below with the aspects of the RC214V you want us to explore further, whether it's engine details, electronics, chassis dynamics, or design philosophy. And subscribe to Bike Culture Hub to keep up with all the latest MotoGP developments. The 2027 season promises to be a showcase of speed, innovation, and the relentless spirit of competition, and the RC214V is poised to be at the forefront of it all.